Good morning, class 9th. This video is for you. It is from Beehive, lesson 9, The Bond of Love by Kenneth Anderson. Yes, children. Now, already I have explained to you the lesson. Now, these are the notes. Introduction. The story highlights the emotional bond between human beings and animals. The narrator's wife shares affection with a wild bear and they get attached to each other shows that animals have feelings and reciprocate to love with warmth and affection. Now it is summary. The bond of love is about the emotional bond which the author's wife and her pet bear share between them. The author rescued the baby bear in an accident and gifted it to his wife. After that, they were bonding like he was their child, and the author's wife loves him a lot. We see that the family nourished him and helped him grow. As Bruno starts growing up, he bonded with everyone from the children to the pet dogs. He had his own bed and would play around with the little ones all day. However, in an accident, one day he ate poison which was to kill rats. After consuming poison, Bruno got paralyzed, and after proper treatment, they were able to save him. Soon, life became normal when, in another incident, he drank up a whole gallon of old engine oil meant for termites, but surprisingly, it did not affect Bruno. Thus, Bruno started growing in size but was equally sweet and playful. Upon growing, they changed his name to Baba, which meant a small boy in the Hindi language. He picked up a few tricks growing up and entertained everyone. Nevertheless, his size was a problem, and being an animal, he was a threat to the children. Therefore, everyone except the wife was ready to send him to a zoo, as he was not fit as the pet now. While she didn't agree, initially she had to give in for everyone's safety. After the official paperwork, he was ready for the Mysore Zoo. The wife missed him terribly and asked everyone to visit the zoo about his well being. She learned that Baba was not eating well and remained sad all day. So, after 3 months, she decided to visit him herself, although everyone told her that Baba would not recognize her. He surprised everyone by recognizing her in a jiffy, means that is it means nicely, very nicely. After that, she patted and pampered him and spent a lot of time with him. However, she could not leave him, so she decided to take him back. After the formalities, she finally brought him back home and made a special island for him with deep dry pit and his belongings. So she finally reunited with Baba and spent her days patting him and making him sleep in her lap, sharing the true bond of love. Now, here, children, it is the summary in Hindi. Okay, now that is, you can make it out. That one, you can read it out by yourself. So, that is, I'm giving you time to read it. Okay. I hope you will read it. Children, I am not reading it out for you. You do it by yourself only. This one. Okay, I think you must have read by this time. So I'm proceeding. Yes, next. Yes, children, you should read it. I am giving that much time. Yes, children, next. Yes, children, next. This paragraph, it is taken from that only. We'll just see. I think this is the repetition of that. Okay. You can read from here. समय के बीतने के साथ ब्रूनो का आकार भी बड़ा हो गया था. Yes, next, children. You have to read, right? And I don't think that any word is difficult over there. समय के बीतने के साथ ब्रूनो इतना बड़ा हो गया कि अब उसे घर पर नहीं रखा जा सकता था. Right? You have to read it by yourself only. I don't want to read for you. Okay? Yes, children. Yes, next. Yes. Now this is the end, I think so, children. The last one. घर में बाबा के लिए एक टापू बनाया गया. यह 20 फुट लंबा और 15 फुट चौड़ा था. यह 6 फुट चौड़ी और 7 फुट गहरी खाई से घिरा हुआ था. अंत में बाबा के रात के सोने के लिए एक लकड़ी का बक्सा रखा गया. उसे गर्म रखने के लिए उसके अंदर फूस रखा गया. बाबा अपने नए घर में बहुत प्रसन्न था. लेखक की पत्नी वहां घंटों बिताया करती थी. यह मनुष्य एवं जानवर के प्यार की कहानी है. यह दर्शाती है कि जानवरों में भी प्यार, स्नेह और वफादारी की भावना होती है. Now it is over. Okay, this was the last in Hindi. You should read it out. You can read it out. Now these are the questions, children, given at the back. Now the first question is like, I got him for her by accident. Who says this? Now first one. Second is, who do him and her refer to? And the third is, what is the incident referred to here? Now here, that is, the answer is the narrator says this, and the second is him refers to the bear and her refers to the narrator's wife, and the third is the incident referred to here is when the narrator's companion shot a bear dead and they found that the baby bear was alive. They caught the baby bear and took it along with them. Children, next question is he stood on his head in delight. Who does he refer to? He refers to Baba. And the second is, why was he delighted? He was delighted to see the narrator's wife. Now, question number 3. We all missed him greatly, but in a sense, we were relieved. Now, the first question is, who does we all stand for? And the second is, who did they miss? And the third is, why did they nevertheless feel relieved? Now, here the answer is, we all stands for the narrator, his wife, his son, the Alsatian dogs, and the tenant's children. Second is, they missed Baba. And the third is, they nevertheless felt relieved. because Baba was a big bear now and keeping him at home was inconvenient for them. Answer the following question in 30 to 40 words each. On two occasions, Bruno ate or drank something that should not be eaten or drunk. What happened to him on these occasions? Answer. In the first incident, Bruno ate the poison, barium carbonate, which had been kept to kill rats. He was struck by an attack of paralysis. The narrator took him to the veterinary doctor, who injected medicines twice to revive Bruno. In the second incident, Bruno drank the old engine oil, which the narrator had drained out of the sump of his old car in order to fight a termite attack. This did not have any adverse effect on Bruno. Now, question number 2. Was Bruno a loving and playful pet? Why then did he have to be sent away? Yes, Bruno was a loving and playful pet. He was sent away because as he had grown into a big bear, it was not safe to keep him in an inhabited area as he could harm people. The narrator, his son, and his friends convinced his wife, who was particularly attached to Bruno, and finally it was sent to the zoo at Masur. Now, question number 3. How was the problem of what to do with Bruno finally solved? The problem of what to do with Bruno was finally solved by sending him off to the zoo at Mysore. They wrote a letter to the zoo in charge at the zoo at Mysore. Upon his consent, Baba was packed in a cage and was sent away. Now, children, these are extra questions, the short ones, 30 to 40 words. Bruno once got paralysis. Why? How was he treated? Though that question's answer, but only here the language is different and the way of presentation is different. Once the author kept barium carbonate in his library for killing rats, Bruno ate most of it. It was poison, so he got paralysis. He was taken to the veterinary doctor. He gave Bruno 2 injections of antidote. It cured Bruno. Question number 2. The bear became attached to the dogs, to the children in the neighborhood. Which qualities of the bear are highlighted in this statement? Even children, yes. Now, here the answer is it shows that the bear had human qualities. Like human beings, it also needed love and knew how to respond to love. He developed friendship not only with animals but with human beings also. Now, next is question number 3. Bruno was sent off to Mysore Zoo. What happened to the author's wife, Bruno, after this? Why? Now, the answer is the author's wife felt very sad. She wept bitterly. She was uneasy and inconsolable. For the first few days, she refused to take food. Now, the second is Bruno's condition was similar. He also refused food. He became thin and sad. Both of them missed each other badly. Question number 4. Why did Bruno become very special after he returned from Mysore Zoo? Answer. The author's wife wanted to make Bruno feel at home. They made a special island for him. She would sit there for hours and Bruno would sit in her lap. Thus he became special after his return from the Mysore Zoo. Now question number 5. Oh please sir, she asked the curator, may I have my Baba back? Now, who is she in the above lines? Who is the curator? What is the Baba's other name? Why does she want Baba back? Now, answers. She is the author's wife, the curator is the manager of Mysore Zoo and Bruno, and the D is because she could not bear his absence. Now, children, these are long questions. Okay. Now it is essay type questions, that is a long one, and this one I will be giving to you in my next video. So I am stopping it here.